your kids, grab your fingers. It'll be noisy. I won't be able to talk, which is a good thing. All right, Mr. Partridge, he's out of Ottawa, Illinois, home of the Ottawa Pirates. Right there, very good, well done. I think Rob made the right decision. That is a good hook there, Rob. 274.87. Now let's find out if he wants this or not. He may take it or he may turn it down. He's the first puller. We're going to get a thumbs up or down from Danny pretty soon. He may come back. I don't know many four-wheel drivers that take their first pull. They always like coming back.